You already everything. So first I want to stress again this computer is a GTAC 100 800. This computer we presented 2 years ago, and we found out that this is one of the best computers we can use. Now it's available new generation of this computer. It has a better processor, now it is Atom processor, and it should have good influence on batteries. If you will decide for this computer, I definitely recommend you not to use the basic version, but the version with the dual mode display, because the basic version is only capacitive screen, and you know that the capacitive screen can be operated only by finger, or now also appear some special pens, but the pens are quite expensive. So this we still recommend this computer. Also, compared to size, it has 8.1 the screen, so I could send you. This is not this one, so there is the GTAC. So you will get this computer. Cheap alternative of the tablet, Rajat tablet computer, can be this Chinese computer. It's very similar compared to size and weight to Panasonic tablet computer. Advantage of this computer is ruggedness, so it has IP65. And but compared to GTAC, for example, it's less than €1,000 price, so the price is really good. It has bigger screen, so it has 11 inches screen, but it has only capacitive screen, so you can operate with the finger. But the screen works really well. We are very surprised, and now we plan to take it to forest and work 2 months in a really and hard conditions, so we will see how it works. But our first testing 1 week in forest, so was very good. Another example of the Rajat computer is this computer from Handheld, so it's a Swedish company, it's Algits. This is more traditional type of field computer, so it's a bigger computer. And then the preview, so it's not like tablet, so it's like a bigger computer. And the screen is covered by chemical glass, so it's more robust, and it's not so easy to destroy. The IP of all these computers are same, so all of these computers are 65, so you can use it in rain. But it's not like before the hammerheads, they have 67, so you can even use it. If it dropped to water, was no problem. Now, as far as we know, there does not exist some, for a good price, available computer with IP67. Of course, there are some military computers which are not so easy available for civil war. But this computer definitely is good for maybe hard conditions in Iceland. If you need to replace hammerheads, so we recommend this type of computer because it's very robust and it's developed by Swedish people, so they know this what is also new, if you use true angle for precise measurement, it's a total station, so there is a new generation of the true angle, that data coming from true pulse to true angle are sent back from true angle to true pulse, and then from true pulse via Bluetooth to computer. So before it was sent from true pulse to true angle, connected by a cable to computer, so it was very difficult work because you could not rotate with the cable, so there was some limitation. So we developed our own Bluetooth for a wireless connection. But now we don't use cable or this our Bluetooth connection, so you can just connect to bus and to angle and just connect it via cable, of course, these 2 devices. But then coming back to pulse this data and to the field computer. So I think it's a good advantage, and now it looks that this technology can be really used and cheapest. There is one new tool from laser technology. It's called TruePoint, and we just saw some engineering version this spring. And in 2 weeks should be presented on Intergeo as a final product. Unfortunately, you see Hannah Halp from laser technology could not come because last week she had some recent surgery. But she gave me at least some information about this product. They call it like the most affordable and compact total station. So this tool should be able to measure distance, different technology that the pulse, so it's not a pulse call, so it's a point. So there's also some laser, but different type of waves. So the precision should be much better than in 2 pulse. So they said around plus minus 1 millimeter. Of course, the accuracy of the distance will be shorter, so not like 500 meters or even 1 kilometer, 2 pulse. In forest project, maybe 300 meters is enough. This device also measures inclination, and they promise that also will measure horizontal angle. So in fact, it should be able to replace this system. Through pulse with angle in one compact tool of 2 point. So we still did not have chance to test it if it works with filmers, but the engineers promised that the string will be similar, so we believe that it will be not so big problem to modify filmer to support this tool. And as you can see, the promised accuracy of the horizontal angle and vertical angle is very nice. And also the distance, plus minus 1 millimeter, is really nice. So in fact, it's very similar like a Disto. So maybe police from Switzerland, they know like a Disto and use it. And but plus there should be also the horizontal angle. So unfortunately, we don't have this device here because nobody follow us. But in 2 weeks we will know more, so maybe if you are interested, so we can send you some presentation or some information about it after the interview. So many people have problems with precision of the true pulse. That's why we decided to develop some special L bracket, let's say, with calibration support. That you know that the calibration is 8 points. You have to rotate it in one direction, then change the position of the true pulse and rotate in other direction. So we modify the L bracket, and now calibration is really easy and very fast. So you don't need to untouch it from monopod or tripod. And the final precision, it has good influence for the final precision. So we got into this simple modification of the bracket can improve precision. And the last what I want to mention is already Martin mentioned it, is that the FieldMap now support up to 3 different electronic devices. In this case, we support 3 electronic calipers master by scripting, of course, what we got. So you can have one computer, 3 calipers, and work in forest, and just with calipering, and 3 people do measurement, and only one data collector receive the data. So in some type of project, so it can be very useful, especially for so it was all very short, so that we use something more. Of course, there is a lot of new computers and tablets based on Windows. You might now fully support Windows 10. So there were some problems with Windows 10, but now we get a lot of experience, and you see so many different tablets with Windows 10. So now you change your operation system to Windows 10, you should not have questions.
I've got a question on good point. What's the accuracy or precision of in horizontal angles?
In the horizontal angle, they said it should be also 0.1 degree. 0.1. Should be. So the horizontal is plus minus 0.1 degree, and vertical is minus 42 plus 80. So it's not full like true pulse. There's some limits, but for normal measurement should be sufficient, and also plus minus 1 degree.
And that accuracy is measured on monochrome or
They have on page